Hey, what's up, guys? This Jose over here at Yeehaw Cowboy. Today we're going to talk about how to clean python snakeskin boots. One thing, regardless of the python, is always going to turn that color, that beige color. It's never going to stay black and white. That natural look is always going to turn that beige, light tan color. Regardless if you clean them, just when they're brand new, they're going to be black and white, obviously, but after time, they turn that color. So let me teach you guys how to clean them. You basically just wipe them off, of course. Make sure there's no dust or anything like that or dirt between these things. Use that toothbrush. I have another video where it tells you the first part, and I'm just gonna get to it. So basically I use this Angelus leather cleaner conditioner, and what I do is just spray the heck out of them. You go through this thing quick. So you just keep spraying them. Let me see. I use a lot just because it doesn't damage the boots, but the more the better. To me. Yeah, you see all that stuff on there? And what I do is get just a brush, one of these small brushes, and just go with the scales. Don't go up against the scales. You'll damage them. Oh yeah, and another thing, regardless, your scales are gonna go up a little bit after time. But just brush down and you see some little foamy stuff a little bit. You see that white stuff there? See how it foams up? A little bit. Let's bring it closer. And just wipe them down. That's it. And what's good about that reptile cleaner, it supples the actual python. That keeps them from cracking. So what you're gonna do, you just keep going all around. Always go with the scales, not against them. Until it all goes in there. The back too. Go with the scales. Just remember that. And that's pretty much it. And then you just wipe them down with a towel. And make sure they dry up so you won't wear them when they're wet. So it won't stretch out or anything like that. You just wait a couple days. Not a couple days, I'm sorry, a couple hours before you wear them. I don't have a boot tree in there, so I'm good. That's pretty much it. That's how you clean the python boots. Remember, go with the scales, not against the scales. See ya.